rice cake with orange, Antonio. It's oranges everywhere around here.
Yes.
And this is unbelievable. Milk.
So, and the milk is cooking now, yes?
Yeah, it's less than 2 liters.
And this is 200 grams of sugar.
200 grams sugar. Nice. Oh my God. Oh, smell it. Oh, oh yes, look, it goes in.
Yeah. So the oil that are on the rinds, they give the flavor.
This dish is not very slimming, but at least it is proper food. Yeah. I'm going to put an extra bit for me. I love lemon. Then, vanilla pod. It is so important you use fresh vanilla pod. Aroma of vanilla, it is okay, but it's very plastic. But if you use nice vanilla pod, it's a little bit expensive. It's give you different flavor altogether. Then you slice right through.
Yes.
And you want it inside those
lovely
lovely
the little
seeds.
Yes.
Ah, look at that, look at that, look at that, look at that.
Oh, that's wonderful.
This one goes in. Just leave them on top there for now.
Can I see it?
Okay, now we have to wait till the milk goes to boiling. All the flavor is over the lemons and milk with the sugar. Perfect. You can see now it's almost boiled.
Yeah.
300 grams.
And the rice, which rice it is?
I'm using good risotto rice because I want it to stay al dente. Stir it. That will cook about 45 minutes until all the lovely flavour of lemon and milk absorbed into the rice. Antonio, don't you think our children don't eat much fruit today?
Unfortunately not.
I remember as soon as the fresh fruit is coming out on the tree, we used to raid the tree.
Yeah.
Used to get on top there. We'd almost
We used to borrow quite a lot.
Yeah.
While I was borrowing once, we left the shoes at the bottom of the tree, and then the owner came. He took us the shoe away. That's a good one. While the cooked rice mixture was cooling off, we went in search of 2 zesty oranges. Borrowing will always be second nature. Only these days, we ask permission of the owner.
My God, I put so much lemon. And here's another one. When the rice is cool, remove the lemon peel. And separate 5 fresh eggs. That lovely and thick and white. Faster. Whisk the white of the eggs. And then add 2 tablespoons of orange liqueurs to the yolks. 3 for me. And then you mix the lovely orange flavor yolk to the rice mixture. Add the grated zest of an orange. The lovely flavor.
Yeah, look at this, Gennaro. In fact, it's exactly as it should be.
Yeah, it's that. Small handful of raisins. Thank you. And this is the joy. I will fold the egg white, and the egg white will give it a lift.
The lightness.
The lightness. And now, slowly you fold
Slowly.
Slowly.
Otherwise, all the air that I put into that, it goes.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's why.
It's a joy. Then pour the mixture into prepared cake tin and then cook in the oven at 180 for about an hour.
It looks very good.
Right on top. Not waste anything at all. I was planning to serve my cake with the fresh oranges. Unfortunately, some greedy Italian can't wait.
It's a really good one.
1 hour later,
Fantastic.
remove it.
Yeah.
Yes.
Well, it looks good.
Yes. Ice and sugar.
That's good.
What a marriage.
And over there. Oh, that looks like a little jewel.
It is, little June.
Ah,
Very good, Antonio.
looks very good.
All the lovely
Yeah,
rice.
If your kids don't like fruit, give them this, and they will learn to love the taste of fresh orange. Very good, Gennaro. I like it. You know, lately you start to cook a little bit better.